Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Adthon Solutions. With me here, I have a device. This device is called a smart home automation. This smart home automation, you can switch it on or switch it off via SMS. That's avoiding, well, let's say maybe you are asleep and you want to switch off your bulb. You just use your phone by sending an SMS, switch off, then the bulb goes off. So I'll show you the components we used to make this device, and I'll show you how you send the SMS for it to switch on and switch off. So let me show you how to switch on the device and switch off. The word on your SMS, switch off, in this format, switch on, and it's bulb 4. So you switch it on. That's the format according to the coding. It's still sending. So yeah, our bulb is on. So we've just sent an SMS, switch on, the bulb is on. Now we want to put off our bulb. We shall write just the word off. When you write off, you name the bulb number. Each bulb is labeled. So we write the word off. That's the format. Off, bulb 4, remember. Off. Yeah. Off. Yeah. Our bulb is off. So I'll show you the components we used in making this smart home automation. We have here a power supply, 6 amperes. This one is our bulb. It's rated 100 watts to 40 volts, Philips, made in India. This one is our relay, 5 volts relay. This relay controls the bulb, switching it on and off. This one is our bulk converter. This bulk converter, it steps down 12 volts to 4.5 volts